Other roofing materials you should consider. Clay, concrete. Clay is expected to last for a minimum of 50 years. While technology begins to improve, they last even longer. This material has been updated in many varieties of ways, making them both lighter and tougher, in short, nearly indestructible under normal conditions. The product warranty covers up to 50 years. Metal. The technology today is a big help in making metal even more durable. Metal roofing offers 100 years of attractive and quality use of metal as given its durability, but keeping them looking great without the trace of fading is another level. The huge number of new designs are elegant enough to attract homeowners. Plus, the affordability of the product. You can install them by yourself by reading our article about how to install metal roofing. Slate. It is the most popular roofing material in Europe. It is made from stone, making it highly resistant to deterioration, corrosion, insects, fire, or damage coming from water or heat of the sun. It provides stunning good looks which offer a luxurious appearance for homes and buildings. Slate is considered the best roofing material that can outlive most structures.